Number 1. The 1972 Chrysler Plymouth Fury 2, priced at $8,000. This two-door coupe is an iconic American classic. The exterior is well-maintained, with a metallic green paint that still shines. It features a front grille with two round headlights typical of that era. The car uses a 440 big block V8 engine with a 7.2L capacity, fully rebuilt and upgraded for performance. The A727 automatic transmission has also been rebuilt, and the car has traveled 71,000 miles since that process. The interior is immaculate, with black leather seats and wooden details on the steering wheel. This car is one of only 7,519 units produced, making it rare and appealing to collectors. Number 2. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $5,200, is in excellent condition with various modern modifications to achieve high performance. It is equipped with a powerful 5.7L LS1 engine and a 4L60E automatic transmission, offering solid performance. The exhaust system uses dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, producing a distinctive sound. Modern features include power disc brakes, an AC system with a polished compressor, and conventional power steering. The exterior maintains its classic design with added features like a Continental kit, fender skirts, and wide white radial tires paired with spinner-style wheel covers. Inside, the car is equipped with tinted glass, seat belts, and an entertainment system that includes AM/FM cassette player, CD player, and a custom console. Other accessories like electric mirrors, electric wipers, and dual side mirrors enhance the car's practicality. The combination of classic elements and modern touches makes it very special. Number 3. The 1972 Buick Skylark, priced at $9,000, features a 350 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, equipped with a header kit and some minor modifications. The car was repainted 2 years ago, but there are still a few small imperfections in the paint. Overall, the car remains in very good condition. There are some minor repairs needed, such as replacing the roof trim, interior door handles, and shift lever handle, but there is no major damage to worry about. Although it has clocked about 120,000 miles, it has only traveled 6,000 miles this year. A new battery has also been installed, making it more ready for use. Number 4. The 1977 Plymouth Volare, priced at $9,000, has been modified with various high-performance components. Its engine uses a 340 block with a crankshaft from a 360 engine, equipped with a camshaft, intake, headers, pistons, and a Holley carburetor delivering about 400 HP. The transmission system includes a 3,500 RPM stall and a 3-speed shift kit, providing strong and responsive acceleration. The exterior was restored in 1997 with a thorough green color, including the undercarriage, which remains rust-free and solid. Although there are a few minor flaws like a torn driver's seat and small cracks on the dashboard, the interior can still comfortably seat 5 passengers. The car is claimed to be very reliable and performs well on the road. It was registered and evaluated in 2022, and the owner is open to trade offers and appreciates reasonable bids. Number 5. The 1969 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $9,000, is a 2-door coupe with a 429 Thunderjet engine and a 4-barrel carburetor. The owner has driven approximately 66,000 original miles. The car still functions well, runs smoothly, and is roadworthy. Several new components have been replaced, including a new fuel pump, a new headliner, a trunk mat, and weather stripping. However, the car requires some body work and repainting. Some instrument parts like the fuel gauge and speedometer work intermittently, with the speedometer needle sometimes jumping. This vehicle remains solid and usable, but requires some further care. TLC. Number 6. The 1978 Chevrolet Corvette, priced at $9,500, has been restored and modified for racing or casual city driving. It features a new GM crate, 4-bolt main 355 engine, and an upgraded turbo 350 transmission. With rear suspension and a 411 gear ratio designed for drag racing, the car has tremendous torque at the start and can reach high speeds. The interior has been updated with new seats, door panels, and carpeting. However, a few minor repairs are needed, such as upgrading the audio system, repainting, replacing the wiper switch, and installing an emergency brake cable. New ceramic hooker headers and side pipes with glass pack inserts were recently installed, making this car quite attention-grabbing. It can be certified depending on the sale price. Number 7. The 1970 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $5,500, is in reasonably good condition with some minor areas that need repair. The exterior is blue and still well kept, although there is a bit of rust on the frame behind the front passenger side wheel, which can be fixed. The front passenger side brakes are sticky and require repair to make the car safely drivable. The 429 engine is said to be in excellent condition and starts without any issues, with a new water pump installed in the summer of 2023. The white interior looks very neat and well preserved, indicating that the inside of the car is still in prime condition. Although stored indoors and coming from a previous owner who took good care of it, some aspects, like the brakes, need to be fixed before the car can function perfectly. Number 8. The 1963 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $8,500, comes with a 390 Cruise-O-Matic Special Edition engine. The exterior condition is generally good, although there are some scratches and a little bodywork may be needed. The car has been modified with a Holley Performance carburetor, while the original parts are still stored in the trunk. The engine is well maintained with the electrical system and major components still intact. Underneath the chassis, it is very solid and free from major damage, although there are signs of age. The car needs a starter repair and some minor body touch-ups. Overall, it is still complete with all interior components, with only a few small areas needing tidying. Number 9. The 1979 Lincoln Mark V, priced at $8,000, is in original and well-maintained condition. The owner ensures that the car has never been driven in winter and has rarely been exposed to rain, showing great care in its preservation. The exterior is very clean with shiny white paint, and the interior retains its original velvet seats, which show slight signs of aging but are still in good condition. The distinctive rear with a hidden spare tire gives the car the elegant classic Lincoln look. It has been garage stored during winter, but the engine is regularly started. The owner is open to offers, but will not consider overly low bids. Number 10. The 1981 Chrysler Imperial, priced at $10,000, is in excellent condition. Equipped with a 5.2-liter V8 engine that is numbers matching, the car uses a 3-speed automatic transmission. The exterior and interior are both red, with a leather interior that gives a luxurious feel. The car has only traveled 90,000 miles since new. Key features include electric windows, locks, seats, and mirrors, as well as a digital dashboard, cruise control, and the original AM/FM radio. 15-inch wheels with white wall tires add to its classic style. The vehicle has been converted from Chrysler's notoriously problematic original fuel injection system to a 4-barrel carburetor, providing more stable performance. Overall, the car is in excellent condition, ready to be driven comfortably. Number 11. The 1966 Ford Galaxy 500 XL, priced at $9,000, is in excellent condition. Its newly refreshed 390 Gold Block engine comes from a 1968 Mercury Cougar and runs smoothly. The car has been driven year-round and has only been repainted once in the 1980s. The brakes have been upgraded with new wheel cylinders and a new master cylinder, all working well. The tires and rear bumper are also new. The original interior is in exceptional shape, although there is a small tear on the underside of the seat. The car is certified, meaning it's ready to be driven without needing repairs. An additional option of a 4-speed top-loader transmission and Krager wheels is available at an extra cost. The owner is open to trade offers, including a Model A or other interesting vehicles. Number 12. The 1964 Dodge 330, priced at $8,500, is an antique sedan with low mileage, having only traveled 18,000 miles, and it is certified. The car still runs on the road with its reliable 6-cylinder slant-6 engine. Its condition is excellent for its age, especially with a clean and well-maintained exterior and interior. The interior stands out with a striking red and white color combination and a red steering wheel that appears original. The exterior is a classic gray with sharp body details and intact Dodge emblems at the rear. The car seems well preserved, making it an attractive collection for Dodge enthusiasts. Number 13. The 1972 Lincoln Continental, priced at $6,400, has a 460 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. According to the description, the car still has its original paint, engine, and interior, indicating that it has been well maintained and is in almost original condition. It features power steering, power brakes, power windows, and electric bench seats, offering luxurious driving comfort. The car also has a working heater, but the AC was never set up and may only require a belt to operate. The radio works, but the antenna needs to be raised to optimize the signal. Based on the information, the vehicle performs well on the road and still offers a pleasant driving experience. Number 14. The 1975 Pontiac Grand Am, priced at $2,500. The car's exterior shows significant rust, particularly on the hood and side fenders, indicating the need for repairs or restoration. Despite the rust, the original blue paint is still visible on most of the car's body, highlighting its originality. The interior remains in relatively good condition, though there are signs of wear on the seats. The car is equipped with the original 400 engine and automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car is running and has had over $3,000 in mechanical repairs. Number 15. The 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Sport, priced at $6,200, comes with a 267 cubic inch V8 engine with a capacity of 4.4 liters and an automatic transmission. This vehicle is in good condition and is claimed to be mostly original, with 96,000 kilometers on the odometer. The owner has had the car since 1986, and it has never been driven in the winter, indicating good care of its physical condition. However, there are some minor flaws, such as small rust spots and peeling of the clear coat. For safety inspection compliance, the car needs a new catalytic converter and seat belts. The interior shows minor damage to the driver's seat, but overall the vehicle appears to have been well maintained. Be a loyal viewer of this channel because I love you all, guys.